Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to write Instagram caption with ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Here you can see introducing ChatGPT. Press on this. Now press on try ChatGPT. So here to get help with writing Instagram captions, you can ask ChatGPT with a specific goal and contents in mind. So here I'm gonna show you some rules and tips and tricks which you have to follow. So let's go. I'm gonna show you some rules with example prompt. Number 1. Specify the theme or purpose of the post. Example prompt. Can you write a motivational caption for a workout photo, encouraging my followers to stay consistent with their fitness goals? Here is the result. Here you'll find a perfect result. Number 2. Describe the visual and context of the photo. Example prompt. I'm posting a photo of a coffee cup with a cozy background. Can you create a warm, inviting caption that reflects relaxation and enjoying the small moments? Here, mention details about what's in the photo. This will help create a relevant caption. Number 3. Include audience and tone preference. Example prompt. Write a fun and relatable caption for young adults about the struggles of staying focused while working from home. Here is your result. And the last one, number 4. Set engagement goals. Example prompt. I'm sharing a photo from my recent hike. Write a nature-inspired caption that invites followers to share their favorite outdoors sports in the comments. Indicate if you want a call to action, like asking followers a question, promoting them to tag a friend, or encouraging them to comment. So by clearly specifying these elements, ChatGPT can generate captions that fit your needs closely. So this is how to write Instagram caption with ChatGPT. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.